Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup Knorr full guide. Begin by sautéing onions and garlic in olive oil until translucent, add diced carrots, celery, and potatoes, stir for 5 minutes. Pour in 4 cups vegetable broth and 1 Knorr vegetable bouillon cube, bring to a simmer. Add frozen peas and corn, season with salt, pepper, and chopped parsley. Simmer 15 minutes, adjust seasoning, serve hot with crusty bread. A warm mix. Start with 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, 2 carrots diced, 2 celery stalks chopped, and 2 potatoes cubed. Measure 4 cups vegetable broth and 1 Knorr bouillon cube to dissolve. Add 1 cup frozen peas and 1 cup corn late to keep texture. Season with salt, black pepper, and chopped parsley, then simmer gently to blend flavors before serving and enjoy. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. See the product link in the description for current deals. It pairs great with kitchen timers and music while you cook, adding hands-free help and cheerful background tunes. Check the description for the link and more offers. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil in a large pot over medium heat, then add onions and garlic and cook until soft. Stir in carrots, celery, and potatoes, cook 5 minutes. Pour in broth with the Knorr cube, bring to a simmer, and reduce heat to maintain a gentle bubble. Add peas and corn 5 minutes before finishing, taste and adjust salt, pepper, and herbs, then serve warm with optional crusty bread or a squeeze of lemon.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.